Protect your industrial network with the mGuard from Phoenix Contact. What is the main purpose of the mGuard? These products provide three functions: network security, routing, and remote connectivity. Why do you need network security? It is very important to keep the bad guys out and protect against threats, attacks, and unauthorized access. The mGuard uses stateful firewall to protect just one or many devices. With the mGuard firewall, the only communication allowed will be the rules you set up by using web-based management. You can create firewall rules to establish the interface, protocol, IPs, ports, actions, and logs. So who needs a firewall? Everyone. Hacker attacks are happening now and increasing by the minute. For example, the utility sector has become a popular target among hackers. Federal organizations have enforced standards to protect these sites. You need to install the mGuard to protect your investments. An application for the mGuard firewall occurs when the production network connects to the office network. Viruses started in the office network can infect a control network in the plant and spread throughout the production line environment. Another reason to install a firewall occurs when IT ignores the control plant or considers them as the enemy. Phoenix Contact solves this communication gap between IT, the control plant manager, and engineers by offering a product line that is industrialized, rugged, and cost-effective. mGuard gets the job done in the same language that IT talks. Are you using Phoenix Contact's value line? Then you are a perfect candidate for the mGuard PCI cards. Now that Phoenix Contact has protected your industrial network, you can also use the mGuard as a router to insulate and isolate your control networks from your business networks. This can be accomplished with or without IT's help. You can use NAT routing for scenarios where there are duplicate IP address schemes. Who can benefit by utilizing the routing and NAT routing feature on the mGuard? Anyone with large control networks. Segmenting traffic via routing is a good way to protect the network and simplifies administration and maintenance. If you are currently relying on IT and misapplied 19-inch rack equipment, then you need an mGuard. Putting climate-controlled IT islands in the middle of the plant floor and running fiber back to IT's data center is very expensive. The mGuard will provide a cost-effective industrial solution. The third function for mGuard is remote connectivity. You can use remote connectivity to your industrial machines for data acquisition, support, diagnostics, control, and firmware upgrades. The mGuard is a powerful, flexible, and interoperable VPN to connect to remote sites around the world. Remote connectivity benefits OEMs and machine builders, providing efficient and economical support for their customers located anywhere in the world. Here is a list of a few industries that would benefit from remote connectivity. Water and wastewater treatment plants monitor and control remote pumping stations and processing facilities. Automation plants troubleshoot and support their industrial equipment. Oil and gas hazardous locations use RS-4000 VPN for remote monitoring and control of offshore operations. Transportation systems can remotely monitor and control every activity in any railroad system. If you need to talk, support, and/or read data from a remote location, mGuard is your solution. Remember, all three functions, network security, routing, and remote connectivity, can be used a la carte, independent of one another, or in combination with one another. The mGuard is easy to use and includes web-based management with no special software needed. Drop-in protection for PCs and non-PC devices like PLCs, IOs, HMIs, and more. And push-button VPN to remotely connect to your machines. Check out demos, literature, videos, white papers, and more at phoenixcontact.com/mGuard Security.